Alright guys, so here's an update. Yeah, it's taking a long time, but it's getting done. It's a lot of detailed stuff going into this build. Everything else in here, whatever you're looking at right now, everything's secured and working. Everything's good. Everything's working in there. Base box is done and secured. Amplifier is installed, wired up. Just gotta zip tie these cables, make it look nice, and then that'll be it. Air suspension with the Hardlines, that's 100% done, operational. Got all these power cables there. I'm waiting to get the fuse boxes so that we could put all this stuff fused. Just taped it together just to see if everything works. But yeah, we got all the stuff here. Got a battery down there, excess power, D3100 is powering all the electronics back here. So that's rear battery. We got bass amp, vocal amp, air suspension, and this would be the LEDs. That's crazy. 8 gauge just for the LEDs. That's how much LEDs we're putting in this car. But yeah, 3-gallon tank, secured. Via compressor. I'm sorry, not Via Air Zenith OB2 compressors. I used to own one of those in Becky. But yeah. Now we got this trunk lid. I'm going to be cutting up this trunk lid to install a 19-inch monitor with 2 infinity mirrors right here. So I'll show you guys the process of what I have to do over here. He has something before, but it was all messed up. It didn't have the clips. Actually, let me see. Actually, let me show you guys. This is the original one that was there. It was already built. So I have to redo this from scratch, because this has, it's been stored for a very long time, so it started warping, so nothing aligns, it doesn't fit. But I mean, it looks pretty good, it looks nice. This was done like 10 years ago and it looks very good, but unfortunately it warped and it doesn't fit on the trunk, so I would have to build this from scratch. So, and then obviously building it from scratch with my taste on it. So show you guys the process. We have Cello's working on the wiring, running all the wiring for the LED lights. It's running it inside of the car to the center console. It's gonna have all the switches in here, over here. Right now he only has 2 switches, but obviously he got more stuff now, so we have to organize all this stuff, add more switches, add the voltmeter to check the voltage in the back, and a bunch of stuff. But yeah, this is very nice, old school 1998 Lexus LS 400, looking clean. With Honda wheels. Alright. And we done. So if it gets dark and he hasn't picked it up yet, I'll make another video. But this is how it looks in the daytime. I mean, you can still see the light, but it's not as dramatic compared to the night. The nighttime will be crazy. But got the infinity mirror on top with the, what is that? Can't tell. The luxury for something VIP. Not sure what it says. But got the TV with the hydro dip frame, stitch work done, the whole fabrication, bass box, 3/8 CT sounds up to the rear deck, acrylic work, frame, LED lights. Got the management, Hardlines, Airlift, 3P. It's the same concept. We've got the chasing lights with the acrylic, the framework. Here we have the infinity mirrors. Infinity with the 3-gallon tank, custom airbrush, 2 3-gallons, one on each side. Wepa, tranquilo. And TV together, connected with the rest of the stuff inside. Actually, I'll show you guys this. This hasn't changed. It's been the original setup ever since. Very old setup. It's still looking clean. The puddle lights. Puddle lights. Got the Lexus logo on the seat. Lexus logo here. Infinity mirror on the top. I don't know if you guys can see the infinity mirror. Check that out. Infinity with the Lexus logo in the middle. Everything is hydro dip. Infinity mirror. Diamonds. Got the Grey Goose bottle. $20 bill. You know what I'm saying? Ugh, it looks very clean. This is true VIP right here. The CT sound with the acrylic. See through, you can actually see the trunk through here. Alright, so hopefully I'll still have it for the nighttime so I can show you guys the fireworks in the night. But yeah, it's looking nice.